Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of color trends, and I'm super excited because I can finally talk about one of the first colors of the year for 2025. It's by Behr Paint, and the color is called Rumors. The rumors are true! This color is a really bold, fairly warm, deep red that is captivating as a choice, and it's really making waves in the design world. Today's sponsor is us. ThePaintPeople.com is your go-to destination for quality paint and paint supplies. One of our standout features is our ability to create any color from all major paint brands. And the best part, we deliver across the US and Canada. Visit our website today and discover a world of colors, quality, and convenience. And as a thank you for supporting us on YouTube, use coupon code JAMES5 for 5% off your order. So first I wanted to talk about this trend towards earthy tones, because we have been seeing it happening more and more recently. In the recent years, there's been this growing trend with natural tones, I find, which I love. And I think it's because people are craving a sense of connection to the outdoors and a more grounded aesthetic. And that's what earthy colors really do a great job of portraying. And I think that Behr's choice really captures that pretty perfectly. So what's Rumors all about as a color? The color code is MQ1-15, Behr, just really catchy color codes. And I just think it's a rich, warm ruby red that screams luxury to me. Very much a jewel tone, I would say, because it has that just deep, dark kind of aesthetic that I really enjoy. It's an accent color that has more versatility than you might initially think. And even though you might be quick to sort of assume this is just a very special color that you can only use in very small parts of your home, I think it actually has more versatility than you might initially think. It's a great way to add a touch of drama and sophistication to any space, whether you're painting a room, a wall, a ceiling, furniture, cabinetry. But honestly, here's why I think it's making a splash and why I think Behr went this direction. The color itself is sophisticated and has a fairly timeless quality to it. It feels kind of both trendy and timeless at the same time, which is interesting. The fact that it's a bold choice does make it feel a little more like hip, but it's also kind of rooted in a classic burgundy, almost raspberry red, but mixed with brown as well to just give it a little bit of softness while still being very much attention grabbing. I do think that it's a fairly classic choice, and depending on how you use it, if you're not overdoing it and really diving into the color of the year vibe, it's something that maybe can stand the test of time. I do think Rumors is pretty versatile. I think it can be used in a variety of spaces, from living rooms, bedrooms, kitchen cabinets I could see, although I would be a little wary about that because of the cost that's involved in painting your kitchen cabinets. At least a powder room or something, you could easily repaint it if you really get sick of it in a couple of years. But I have used colors like this in spaces like that, and it's worked really well. So I don't think anything's changed just because now it's a trendy color. Another thing I like about it is it does create a warm and cozy, inviting atmosphere. Earthiness of this color really makes it a perfect choice for creating a cozy vibe in your home, whether you want to really lean into the darkness because of its warmth, but also its depth. It just has that cocooning feel to it. So here are some ideas for incorporating Rumors in your home. If you really wanted to try it out, I think the perfect use case for a lot of people would be an accent wall. Accent walls are great because you're only committing to one wall panel. If you hate it, you just got to repaint one. But I think it's an awesome color to draw attention, make a dramatic statement, but still have a somewhat cozy feel to it. It's not going to be a neon green or a chartreuse that's just going to look really insane. Rumors does have just that subtle, soft touch to it to make it a little more palatable for a lot of people. You could potentially use it as a dark trim color. This could be a polarizing choice for some people, but I could see it working quite well if you wanted to bring attention to the trim. I do see a lot of people kind of opting for darker colors in general, like charcoals, navies sometimes as their trim and baseboard color. So this could be another option if you really had intricate trim that you wanted to pop just that much more. You could put this on your trim too. Furniture is another great option. So if you wanted to paint an old dresser or a chair, I think this is a great choice because for all those reasons we talked about, has enough of that rich, warm red that is inviting, also pretty bold, which is good, but can still fit in a number of design styles, I find. You can also incorporate this color into your accessories. So outside of paint, you can have Rumors or Rumors-esque coloration in things like pillows, throws, artwork, little knickknacks, and all that. Okay, so I've been gloating about this color. Do I like it as a choice for color of the year? No, but mostly yes. Honestly, my first impulse when I saw this was nice. Like, I was really happy to see such a rich color be selected. The only thing that gave me a little bit of pause was because of the fact that even though this is a deep earthy red and that it's kind of marketed as a ruby color, it does have a burgundy feel to it, which is not unlike something we've seen recently in terms of trendy colors. I'll admit the reds that have been coming out in the last couple of years have more so been towards the orange side of things, that clay terracotta direction. Rumors at least goes in a darker, more rich direction. And the main reason I really like this choice is it's very similar to my favorite red from Faro and Ball paint called Preference Red. I absolutely love that color. So the fact that we're going in a similar direction with Behr's choice, which is probably a more mainstream brand altogether, I think is a really awesome step in the right direction. Behr's Color of the Year Rumors is a stunning and versatile choice that is sure to make a statement in your home. So if you're looking to add a little touch of earthy sophistication to your space, consider this bold and beautiful color for your home. What do you think of Rumors by Behr? Would you use it in your home? Let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe because we're going to be talking about all of the colors of the year that are coming out right around this season, which is super exciting to me.